Leave all your business, make tea, because it's time to recharge with positivity. Today I have prepared for you a selection of the funniest and a little creepy workout fails. Let's go.
You will never get into such a situation because I wish you good luck.
Such an unexpected phenomenon as loss of consciousness often occurs at the most inopportune moment, which brings a lot of problems. For example, you were able to lift a very heavy barbell and already felt like a hero, but suddenly this happens. After that, there will be no trace of your heroic deed. Or you can get into a kind of trance. And for sure you will see something strange. Well, one touch was enough here. It remains to find someone who will disconnect from just one look at the barbell. Overexertion in the gym is normal because it helps you understand where to reduce the load. But sometimes you can overexert yourself, which will lead to terrible consequences. As you can see, terrible things can happen that will leave a scar for the rest of your life. Superman is clearly not the same anymore. Here's what would happen if a Megamind attended a gym.
What on earth is that?
After looking at this, you can immediately tell what the result will be. So that you understand, for comparison, here is what a barbell weighing 501 kilograms looks like, which is an absolute record in the world. Life hack: how to quickly overcome insomnia. Just a couple of seconds, and you get into the world of dreams. I think even your ex-girlfriend will envy this guy. A little more, and it would have been an unforgettable experience for her. Almost everyone knows from childhood that one should not engage in any physical activity immediately after eating. You can just take a walk, but no more. Otherwise, something similar will happen. Not the most pleasant sight, is it? He ate a hearty meal, it's immediately obvious. Only a hospital can cure fools. But that's not for sure.
This is Sparta!
Sparta does not respect weaklings. She knows how to combine business with pleasure. As, in principle, she is. No one will argue that a good sleep is vital, no matter at what point in time. It's all very funny, of course, but I can't stop looking at this. I don't know about you, but it reminded me of the muzzle of a pug. Many people are wondering how to make an interview that will be remembered for a long time, and that will be distributed by everyone who is not lazy. That's the answer.
Push, come on. Oh my God.
It was the sound of pleasure, and it couldn't be otherwise. That's how any girl can like you, even on the first date. It's time to join the gym. Good night. Let's not doubt this guy's abilities. Let's put this incident down to the fact that he just wanted to check how elastic his neck is. This video tutorial is guaranteed to bring this guy millions of views. You can't think of a better start to a coach's career. For someone, even touching a skipping rope is dangerous for health. Who closed his eyes leaves a like. Write in the comments what exercise he tried to do. The dude practically came up with a new sports exercise, squats with a barbell without hands. You should be more gentle with sports equipment, otherwise he can easily hit you right in the face in retaliation. Judging by his calmness, it was all planned that way. This jump was doomed to failure from the very beginning. If you ever want to press a barbell at home without an insurer, make sure that you have installed a camera for shooting. It will be a sin to miss such shots. It all started so well, but his excessive self-confidence let him down.
Who this ball again?
This guy experienced the full range of all possible emotions in an instant. That turns out to be why some people grow a beer belly for themselves. Now everything fell into place. In order to lose consciousness, you will need to stand for 5 seconds. Smell magnesia. Hold your breath for 5 seconds. Lift the barbell for 3 seconds. Completely covered with swollen veins and instantly drop dead. And here's a success for you. Thank you so much for watching. Leave your like and write in the comments which video you like the most. See you soon. Peace.